let's give it a bash.
Did you drive the car?
You drove it? That's my boy. Keep going, a bit more. Oh shit. Is this because you weren't watching? Wow! God. You helping me? Alright guys, back again. I've just been down to Red Hill Classics. I borrowed a boat tank off Dave and the line and a little priming bubble. So I'm just on my way back now. I'll stop at the petrol garage, chuck some fuel in, mix up some two-stroke. I'll hopefully get this engine fired up today and then up for sale by the end of the day. See if we can get rid of it. It doesn't look very pretty on my driveway. And keep the missus happy, keep the miserable neighbours happy. Well, only the one miserable neighbour. Can't please everyone, I guess. So, get back to you in a little while. Right, here we go. I've been messing around with the wiring, stuff like that. I'm kind of hoping this is going to work. I'm just sort of hard wiring everything at the moment. It's not ideal, but I've got the starter motor to turn over. I've hooked up the fuel. We will see what it does. And sorry about the face today. Been having issues with my leg lately, and I've fallen over again. Right. It's life. Right. See what happens. Oh, the phone fell over then. But it runs. Would you look at that? Well, that's good news. It fires up, makes a noise. It's just the idle to sort out. It's got some adjustments and stuff on there. I've got a doctor's appointment soon, so I will probably have another crack later or tomorrow. But it's good compression, good spark, electric start. That's good. So the all important. I've got the little video of it firing up quickly. I think I'm going to get this up for sale tonight. But yeah, just a quick short video on how I've got on with that. That's not too bad. Yeah, short and sweet. Catch you guys tomorrow.